To people read the same book, to people learn the same lesson, to people hear the same advice, but 10 years later, one becomes successful, wise, and respected. The other stays exactly the same. Why? Because knowledge alone does not change your life. More than 2,300 years ago, a Chinese philosopher named Han Fei gave a powerful insight about this problem. He said, "It is not difficult to know a thing. What is difficult is to know how to use it." In today's video, we are going to explore this deep quote. Why do people who know so much still fail? Why do some people with little knowledge still succeed? And how can you learn the secret of turning knowledge into power? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you may look at learning and wisdom in a completely different way. Part 1, the illusion of knowledge. Today we live in the age of information. You can learn almost anything in minutes. You can watch lectures on philosophy. You can read about success. You can listen to motivational speakers. But here's the strange thing. Even though knowledge is everywhere, wisdom is still rare. Think about this. Most people know that exercise is good. But how many actually exercise every day? Most people know that saving money is important. But how many people actually control their spending? Most people know that anger destroys relationships. But how many people can stay calm during conflict? This is the exact problem Han Fei was talking about. Knowing is easy. Using knowledge is hard. Learning something does not mean it becomes part of your life. Knowledge sits in the mind. But wisdom appears only when knowledge turns into action. And that is where most people fail. Part 2, why knowledge is easy. Why did Han Fei say that knowing something is not difficult? Because learning information is simple. You read, you listen, you watch. Your brain collects facts. But collecting facts is like collecting tools. Imagine a person who owns a full toolbox. He has hammers, he has screwdrivers, he has drills, but he never builds anything. Then what is the value of his tools? Nothing. Knowledge works the same way. Many people collect ideas like trophies. They read books, they watch podcasts, but their life does not change. Why? Because tools only matter when they are used. And knowledge only matters when it shapes your decisions. Part 3, why using knowledge is hard. Now we reach the deeper part of the quote. If knowledge is easy, why is using it so difficult? There are 3 main reasons. 1, emotions overpower knowledge in calm moments. We know the right thing, but when emotions rise, knowledge disappears. You know you should stay patient. But when someone insults you, anger takes control. Wisdom means learning how to control your emotions. 2, habits are stronger than ideas. Knowing something once does not change your habits. Habits are like deep roads in the brain. Even if you learn something new, your mind still follows the old path. For example, you know waking up early is good, but your habit keeps you sleeping late. Changing habits requires effort. Repetition. And discipline. 3, fear stops action. Sometimes we know exactly what we should do, but fear stops. US. You know you should start that business. You know you should speak the truth. But fear whispers, what if you fail? Part 4, the difference between knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge means you understand something. Wisdom means you live by it. Think of a doctor who knows that smoking is dangerous, but still smokes every day. He has knowledge, but he is not using it. Now imagine a simple worker who never studied medicine, but chooses a healthy life. He may know less, but he is using what he knows. Part 5, how to apply this quote in your life. Step 1, learn less, apply more. Step 2, turn ideas into habits. Knowledge becomes powerful when it becomes automatic. Ask yourself, what small action can I repeat daily? Step 3, practice courage. Sometimes you must act even when you feel afraid. Courage is the bridge between knowledge and reality. Conclusion. Let us return to the words of Han Fei. It is not difficult to know a thing. What is difficult is to know how to use it. Your life will change because of what you do with what you know. Knowledge fills the mind, but action shapes the future. Start today, because wisdom begins the moment knowledge becomes action. You become someone who lives wisely.